Hi everybody, my hair's all just got back from the food pantry, and so I'm gonna tell you then what we got for July. All right, let me flip you around. So I'm gonna do the cold or frozen stuff first. So we have 3 packages oven roast style turkey, deli slices. Check them out. Okay, so 3 of those. Then scrambled egg mix. Oh, quiche comes to mind. Organic Valley fat-free milk. Wonderful. And then some frozen stuff in here. Starting to thaw. Looks like pepperoni. Looks like Supreme. And then, I gotta put you down for a second. Let's see. Thighs. Package of thick chicken thighs. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I might smoke these. I'm not sure. Otherwise, crock pot works great. Okay, I'm gonna put these items in the fridge and freezer. I do want to mention that when I was putting the turkey slices away, they're plant-based. I'll try one first before I give it away. It's usually not my deal, but we'll try it, right? Doesn't hurt. So let's start over here. Probably a dozen ears of corn. That's good. I'll get probably corn salad or casserole. 3 bags. Kettle brand potato chips, sharing size, sea salt. 3 of those. Let's see if these have labels. No. If any of you know how to take the numbers on top of the can and tell me what's in it, how I can find out what's in it, that'd be appreciated. Well, it's not Dutch cocoa, right? So, we'll see. All right. This bag looks like orange soda. So maybe Russ will like that. Okay, let's go through our box. Muffin bread. Be good for breakfast. Rye bread. Uh-oh. Good thing Russ isn't here. Peanut butter cups and other candy. Ooh, almond joy. Well, I guess I get the almond joy. If I get anything out of here before he takes it, mounts. Anyway, we got candy this time. Pretzel rolls. Small ones, regular ones, and small ones. So, I think I'm gonna freeze these. Because I don't know the expiration dates. So, I think I'm gonna have to freeze them. All right. Toaster pastries, a lot of chocolate. Poly Grip, which we don't use, so we'll find somebody. Instant grits. Cinnamon graham crackers. Probably tuna. Yep, tuna. We like tuna here. And then 1, 2, 3. Looks like 6 brownie flavored cookie packages. Those go stale really fast, so we'll see. And then granola bars, variety pack. 4 of those. So that's it this time. they're making their share smaller and smaller so more people can participate. All right, that's it. Thank you. We'll do another one of these August. Mine is the second Tuesday of every month. All right, thanks for watching.